Okay, today I'm going to show you a series of stretches that I like to do for my hips, my hamstrings, my quads. Helps to kind of get some IT band stretching in here as well. And I typically like to do these for up to 2 minutes per stretch, but we'll just go through 30 seconds each for today so that you can see what they look like. All right, so let's start off, move buddy, by extending the left leg straight out in front of you. So it's not angled, you can see I have it straight out in front of me. I'm just gonna angle this way. Take your right foot and tuck it in to the inside of your left leg. The left foot is flexed. Inhale, sit tall. Exhale, leading with your heart, come forward. And breathe long and deep here. Now, as you do this, think about bringing your heart over your knee. Long, deep breathing. And just relaxing and settling into the stretch. And again, 2 minutes of this feels really good, but we'll do 30 seconds right now so you can get a feel for it. Inhale. Exhale, walk yourself up. And we'll switch sides, extending the right leg out this time. Tucking the left foot in, sitting tall. Inhale. Exhale, come forward. Again, bringing your heart over your knee. So you're not collapsing down into this. This way you get a little stretch in your back as well. Inhale. Exhale, walk yourself up. And then back to this left leg, extending it out. Once again, with the foot flexed, so like this. And then come forward and your hand is on your shin or it can be on your foot, your toes. Take your right arm behind your back. Look over your right shoulder. So now you're getting a bit of a twist. And think about relaxing your right hip and your right knee down into the earth. Getting the twist, but also stretching this hamstring in the back of the leg as well. Getting a little bit of a groin stretch here too. Inhale. Exhale, slowly release, and we'll switch sides. Do this on the other side. Right leg is extending out. Come forward, reach where you can. Take the left hand behind the back, look over your left shoulder. And again, if your hand is up by your knee or you're on your shin, that's good too. Just think about twisting, opening up, breathing long and deep. Inhale, exhale, and unwind. You can give the legs a shake. And leaving your legs extended out in front of you with the feet flexed, sitting tall. Inhale. And feet can now be slightly apart. Exhale, come forward and hold where you can. Maybe it's your shins, your ankles, or your big toes. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, bring your elbows down toward the floor. Inhale up. Exhale down. This is a nice stretch for the whole back of the leg as well as your back. Inhale, lift up, keep your hands where they are. Exhale, completely hold your breath out. Inhale, walk yourself up. And give the legs a shake. Now, cross your legs if you can. I'm going to sit kind of at an angle. The legs can be crossed like this in what we call easy pose, or you can bring one leg in front of the other, whatever you can comfortably do. And with the legs crossed, bring yourself forward. Now maybe you're on your hands, or maybe you can come down on your forearms, or maybe you can rest your head down on your hands. And with this stretch, you're getting a stretch in the hip. So I'm feeling my right leg is in front. I'm feeling this on the right side in my hip and in my IT band. And just breathe long and deep and let gravity pull you down toward the floor. Inhale. Exhale, walk yourself up. And switch sides. You can get that left side now. And come forward. Take your time. And then wherever you are, just settle in. Breathe long and deep through the nose. This is one of my favorites. Inhale. Exhale. Walk yourself up. And come lying on your back. All right. Your left foot is on the floor. The right heel comes over the top of your left knee. And then, no, Ollie. And then bring your left knee toward your chest. So my hands are underneath the knee. This is a reclined pigeon. It helps to stretch the hip. And breathe long and deep here. And to deepen the stretch, you can press your right ankle against your knee. Just very gentle. Inhale, exhale, release down, and then we'll switch sides. Bringing the left ankle over and bringing your right knee in. Feeling that stretch and then pressing, if you like, pressing the left ankle into the right leg. Breathing long and deep. Inhale, exhale, release the legs down, and then roll up on your spine and come on to hands and knees. Here your hands are directly underneath your shoulders, the fingers are spread wide, your knees are directly under your hips, the feet are straight back. Curl your toes under and press yourself up into downward dog. And now in this posture, you can get a little extra stretching by bending one knee and then the other. Feeling that in the calves. then pressing your heels toward the floor. They don't have to touch the floor, but pressing your heels toward the floor, your chest pressing toward your legs, and just let your head relax and breathe long and deep. Inhale, lift your right leg up. Exhale and sweep the foot toward your hands if you can. Coming into a lunge. So you can remain on your hands here and feel this in the hip flexor. You can also come down onto your knee and extend the leg back. And then you can even come up on this left knee. Deepening the stretch. Inhale. Exhale, bring your hands back down. And bring those right toes back up onto your mat in a high lunge. Step your left foot back, come back to downward dog. And inhale your right leg up. Exhale it, bring the foot toward your hands, in between your hands, into this high lunge. Good. And again, you can bring that left knee down, releasing the toes. And even coming up on this right knee. Inhale. And exhale, come down. Bring your toes back up, pressing yourself into that high lunge, stepping back into downward dog. Just taking a few breaths here. And then bringing your knees down and pressing your hands forward, your forehead down to the floor, and just take a few breaths here in child's pose. Inhale, exhale, and bring yourself back up. And there you have it. That was just under 15 minutes, but like I said, I like to take that whole set and make it close to about 25 minutes or so by doing 2 minutes each. Sometimes I'll hang out a little bit longer or shorter in a particular stretch, just depending on how my body feels, but you can feel into that and see how it feels for you.